Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of Sailesh Popat Bhai Katordia versus Income Tax Officer. This case has been reported in 103 ITR Tribunal Short Note 63. The matter has been decided by Ahmedabad IT80 SMC bench and the date of the judgment is 10th April 2023. In this case, this law has been established that the income tax is leviable on the real income. If the assessee files his return of income by mistake and claims some income, and in actual there was no income of the assessee, then even if admitting in the return of income some income, the department cannot tax that income. In this case, the assessee was an agriculturalist. For the assessment year 15-16, the accountant of the assessee filed his return of income under section 44 AD and showed an income of 2.5 lakh rupees. Apart from this, in that return, the cash balance of rupees 7.8 lakh was shown. When the assessment was going on, it was the contention of the learned assessing officer that the assessee has filed his return of income for the assessment year 15-16 late to cover up the cash deposited during the demonetization to the tune of rupees 10,20,000. During the assessment proceedings, the assessing officer made the addition of the closing cash balance of rupees 7.8 lakh shown by the assessee in his return of income for the assessment year 15-16. During the assessment proceedings, it was the main plea of the assessee that my accountant has wrongly filed the return under section 44 AD. Section 44 AD is not applicable on the assessee. During the assessment proceedings, the assessee produced relevant documents and evidence relating to the agriculture land and agriculture produce which has been sold by the assessee in the form of form 7/12 and form 8A. But it was the allegation of the assessing officer that it is an afterthought of the assessee, and this cash represents the unaccounted money of the assessee which should be taxed under section 68, and the assessee has changed his stance, what he was saying at the time of filing of the return and during the assessment proceedings, and that should not be accepted. So the assessing officer made the addition of 7.8 lakh which was upheld by the CIT appeal. When this matter came before the Honorable IT80, it was the point of the IT80 that when the assessee has submitted the sufficient evidence on record about the agriculture produce, about the agriculture land in the relevant forms, that is form 7/12 and 8A, then without countering or without disproving those documents, the department cannot say that the assessee does not have the agriculture income. Apart from this, the Honorable IT80 also said that the department is not able to prove that the assessee is having any income from any business which is covered under section 44 AD, meaning thereby that the main crux of the theory or the case is that without rebuting the evidence produced by the assessee on record, the department cannot tax the income of an assessee which has been wrongly taken as income into the return of income. So IT80 gave relief to the assessee. In this case, the appeal of the assessee was delayed. The department was saying that this delay is not explained by the assessee. So on that point, the IT80 said that the department is not able to prove that the assessee has unnecessarily delayed the application for filing the appeal, and the sufficient cause should be seen, and if the sufficient cause is for the advancement of the justice, substantial justice, then that sufficient cause should be allowed in entertaining the appeal of the assessee or the condonation of application of the assessee. So at the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Salesh Popat Bhai Katoria versus Income Tax Officer, and this case has been reported in 103 ITR Tribunal, short note 63. The matter has been decided by Ahmedabad ITAT SMC bench, and the date of the judgment is 10th April 2023. Thank you, friends.